I used 18mm plywood to make a cabinet. Measure and cut plywood using track saw. In here I used my DIY track saw. I really like it because the result very precision and accurate. Measure miter saw's height, then applied it to plywood to make slot. This slot is used to hold back the plywood. I use router blade to make the slot. Measure and applied glue on the slot. Make sure the corner 90 degrees straightly. Use nail gun and screw to fasten the plywood. Assemble all plywood cuts to make the cabinet, and make sure everything is straight and appropriately. Check using speed square the miter saw's height to the plywood's edging is equal. If it's not equal yet, use router to make it equal. Cut few plywood to place caster wheels. I used 3 layers for placing caster wheels. Apply those plywood cut under the cabinet, use glue, and fasten it using F-clamp. To make it strong, I use 5 screws to fasten it. Use paper tape to mark the place of caster wheel's bolt. Use auto punch to drill easily and right to the center. Add T-nut to fasten caster wheel using the bolt easily. Cut plywood to cover the front bottom of the cabinet. put miter saw on the cabinet. Measure to placing miter saw in the right position on the cabinet. Mark all the bolts hole from miter saw. Drill all the mark made before. Add T-nut M8 to fasten the miter saw. Fasten the miter saw using bolt on the cabinet. I used 18mm plywood to make extension wings. I used folding shell bracket as the hinge for extension wings. Measure and plug the folding shell bracket, also make sure it install correctly and 90 degrees straightly. After finished, install everything, put the plywood on the folding install bracket and fasten it using screw. Check the surface of the extension wing to make sure everything is straight and flat. I used aluminium to cover surface of the extension wing. Flatten the edging of the aluminium using hand router. I used 15mm MDF to make drawer for storage. Measure the thickness of drawer slide using vernier caliper. Cut MDF has been measured before using miter saw for the same result. Use table saw to make slot. Assemble all the MDF cuts, and make sure all the corners are 90 degrees straightly. Installing handle on the drawer. Measure the handle to template and make slot to place handle. I used hand router to make slot. Measure the middle point of the drawer, and mark it, to place the front drawer correctly. Make sure all the handles positions are same. Install the drawer slide in the cabinet. Installed and fasten the drawer in the drawer slide. Sanding the front drawer to get the surface smooth. Polish the drawer surface using wax. I make additional hinge to strengthen the extension wing using 15mm MDF. I use piano hinge as the mechanism. To lock the hinge I used bolt M6 and T-slot. Make T-slot in the fence extension wing. I used small pieces MDF to hold back the fence. Install fence on the extension wing, use water pass to get the position and angle correctly. After everything is on the right position, use nail gun and screw to fasten it. I used 15mm MDF to make stopper. Assemble all the parts using glue and nail gun. Measure and mark to make the hole and drill it. Use bolt M6 and star knob for the stopper's mechanism. Polish the fence and stopper using wax to make it smoothly when used. This miter saw is very easy to use and portable. There are 2 extension wings with total length almost 180 centimeters. Use folding shell bracket and additional hinges to strengthen the extension wings. There are lots of space to storage. There is stopper to cut accurately.